Hi folks, and welcome to Rob Prints 3D. Today we're quite excited because one, it's our first video, but two, we've got a big box here that's waiting to be opened. So let's see what we've got here. What do we think this is? Maybe something exciting for us to have a look at. So, I've never had a decent 3D printer before and decided to buy myself a new 3D printer. So, and this was probably a bad idea putting this up here. Open it down on the floor. So, what we have here is a Creality Hi Combo. First thing out of the box is a few bits and bobs. We've got a couple of extruder right here, some power cables. Can't remember what this is called, but this goes on the side and feeds the filament into the actual printer. This is an AMS. AMS, which looks pretty cool. Hang on a second, I'll try and get this out of the back. So that's a CFS, sorry. So it's what does it stand for again? Let's see. A filament management system. Okay. I'm pretty sure that's not what CFS stands for, but what's also handy is on the card between that and the print head itself and the base, it's got instructions on how to unpack everything. So here we go, here's the bit we're all waiting for. Oh, we've got some more extras here. What have we got? So we've got the single reel holder which goes on the top of the printer. Some filament, some white spare filament, Creality filament, power cable, and a few tools, bits and bobs, some Allen keys, I think these are cutters that are in the box here, and this here. We have, okay, so this is for clearing out your nozzle if it gets trapped, if anything gets trapped in the nozzle. And there's the cutters. So quite a good setup that you get from them. There's another part of the reel holder from the top. So the filament feeds through this, but we'll show you that once we get it installed. So I'll put that up there. This over here. Getting out of breath, it's very warm in here. So here's the bit we've all been waiting for. Here's the base. So what we're going to do is we're going to move the camera so that we can actually see what's happening here. I'm not quite sure if we're able to do this. Hold on, bear with me. Okay. That's handy. Right. I think that's okay. So, this is well secured. The packaging, I've got to say, is very good. I don't think there'd be any damage. Like I say, the amount of foam and cable ties and things that are on this. Loads of it. So, cable ties, more of them. foam. There's more foam again. There's the actual bed, which feels very sturdy and good. I don't know why it's so dirty though, but we have some cloth and some isopropanol, which is what you need for cleaning it. Okay, so, oops. Okay, probably shouldn't have done that, so that was a bit silly of me. There we go. So, right, and one more bit of foam here. So, this is where my printer's going to be living. So, but we'll wait until we've got it set up before we actually. So what we need now is this bit, which fits in here quite simply. It literally just clicks into place there. Yeah. We've got some tape around here which is holding onto the cables which need plugged in, which we'll do now. Are you excited? I'm excited. So we've got this one goes in here. Which is being awkward and not wanting to plug in. There we go. That's it plugged in. Now we've got this one. It gets plugged in here. And that's fine as well. So, right, and then we've got a bit of tape on this side as well, which holds in the plug here as well, which as you can see gets plugged in there as well. This is all very simple to put together. There we go, so that's that plugged in. Now we've got some screws that we need to put in. So we've got, excuse me for sniffling, I'm a bit sniffly today. So we have a small selection of screws. I believe there's 7 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's this we have here? I can't read Chinese, but some grease, which is always handy. Some cable ties. Oh, this is for the head cleaning. Oh, it's a spare head cleaner. Oh, that's handy. We'll keep that in there, and we'll keep the cable tie in there also. And by the way, if you're wondering about the accent, I'm from Scotland, so. Right, so we need Allen keys. Allen keys. Right. So let's put the screws in. We actually had to wait quite a long time on this. We ordered it a week ago today, and it took a week for it to come. Don't know why it took so long, but I'm not going to complain because it's here now. So, right, and oops. I should have timed this actually to see how long this takes. So, okay, this isn't going in properly. This might not be the right kind of screw, I'm not sure. Okay, we'll try again. Do it on this side so I can see what we're doing. I don't want to scratch the metal on this because it looks too pretty. Alright, hold on. We have an issue here.